అమరావతిలో క్వాంటమ్ వ్యాలీ జాతీయ వర్క్ షాప్ లో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
So Andhra Pradesh is very strong in green energy. I have seen in my life there was no phone. Only affluent people, 5-6 villages or in a town, 1 or 2 phones. In 1989, when I started 1978 as MLA, 89 I contested from Kuppam. For the last 9 times I'm winning there. I announced in Kuppam in one public meeting, I am going to bring electronic exchange. Then my opposition criticized me, how he is going to bring electronic exchange? Manual, because we had only 20 phones in the constituency itself. That was the issue now. Everybody in my constituency today, they are having cell phones, smartphones, everybody is operating. Today, if you can see, in my government, all services I wanted to provide through WhatsApp governance. That is what IT Ministry has started. It is going on as on today extremely well. By August 15th, 100% services will be online. Nobody need to come to office. There is one more advantage in this. I can analyze through AI tool what type of complaints, who is complaining, whom they are complaining. Then I can take so many actions. Now here I wanted to request all of you. This is the ecosystem we wanted to create. There, quantum computing is very much needed. As Kamakoti has rightly mentioned, by January 1st, Quantum Computing Center will operate from Amaravati. This is where beginning of Quantum Valley. Then, not only starting with quantum computing, you have to bring ecosystem. We have to bring use cases. He rightly mentioned 100 use cases by August 15th, 2026. That was the beginning only. I wanted to see, as on today, very interestingly, if you can go through, average AI usage. World average 31%. India average 65%. Here, top AI usage, China, India, USA, Europe. I am confident China population will reduce, India population will increase. More AI utilization will be India. That is going to happen very soon. I am 100% confident on that. If you talk all these things, if you see here, 92% of Indian knowledge workers are using AI. Just now, IT Minister has rightly mentioned, he had a confusion on quantum computing. Then he asked ChatGPT. Immediately, it has given answer for him. Then no need to shy away, or otherwise, he got answer for that. That is the future now I'm saying to all my workers, everybody. Any doubt, you can go, you can prepare with a ChatGPT, this type of solutions. But ultimately, what I am thinking, for example, in Andhra Pradesh, TCS is our partners not now on information technology from the beginning. Now we are working data lake. By integrating all records in Andhra Pradesh with data, individuals, authentication with Aadhaar, and also family as a unit, and every house is geotagged, and also GPI, GI, and also Government of India programs, Government of Andhra Pradesh programs, and public satisfaction, service delivery, all files online. Now we are going, historical data is available, we are computerizing, we are putting on cloud or data centers. And at the same time, tools are available, AI, now we are talking quantum AI for quantum computing, and also real-time data is available now through satellite, drones, CCTV cameras, IoT, wearables, sensors. By creating Aware, we are getting 42 parameters real time. It may be temperature, humidity,